Okay, here I am on top of the chimney. We've got a chimney leak that is getting into the upstairs, the upper story ceiling and damaging the drywall, and we have tried to process of elimination as to where the leaks are coming from. I flashed around the bottom of the chimney, over flashed it on top of what was already there, and still had a small leak incurred. And so rather than put a whole chimney cap on top of this and bear the expense, I am coating it with Crown brushable repair. It's a latex product, works really good. I'm putting a second coat on here now. It dries pretty fast, so I'm able to get another coat on it. And that's what I'm doing today, taking a lift to get up here nearly 50 feet from the ground. What a beautiful view we got.